guide you remotely. Don't ask, it's part of my job. I'll wait here and tidy up my cell. Looks like I'll be released early. That's the way. Good luck.
Take the left corridor. Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. The power switch should be somewhere nearby. Enter the airlock and get into your spacesuit.
Woodworm scrubs.
Well done. Looks like the holy whatever consecrated the right guy. And there's our ride out, ahead of time. I hope they're not drawing too much suspicion. On with the show, triangulating possible escape routes. Our optimal extraction point looks to be an airlock, located on the lower level of the maintenance tunnels. I am sending the coordinates now. The airlock switch is nearby. The holy triangularity allows. It's still locked. Looks like you'll need to find a way to get through. Try searching the other cell walls. Sometimes weapons are confiscated and put in storage.
I was right. Hey, that belongs to me. You cannot just take it. How did you get out? Take me with you. I am innocent.
Leave the other prisoners. We can always come back later. It won't do them any good if we let ourselves get captured now. Your new laser is still powered. Keep it aimed at the dog. It will break the engine. Yeah, take that. Enemy object. Truly magnificent work. And our getaway ship is about to arrive at the dock as well. Keep a few eyes out. I'm on my way.
Kid. Docking granted.
Setting course for the Arcadian Endeavor. There's a lot of activity in that sector, so a rendezvous should grow in interest. Rejoice, Two Eyes. You'll meet the Maestro soon. He has a peculiar kind of charm, so stay on your toes. I assure you, you'll want to end up in his good books. There's a gate up ahead. You're about to enter lawless space, so strap yourself in.
Entering system. Windfall.
Now observe my impressive docking maneuvers, mortal. Sweet familiar premises. I think I'll make a visit to the bridge to catch up with the rest of the crew. Now run and find Maestro, our captain, and tell him I sent you. He'll give you something to do to take your mind off that turbulent episode. And remember to conduct yourself properly. Yes, he's brilliant and compassionate and all that, but he's still a split. I don't want to have to come over and scrape what's left of you off the walls. Oh, I almost forgot. Our getaway ship is already written off. Consider it your initiation gift.
There you are. Split is Maestro. You already met the Axiom. Split appreciates you helping Axiom escape, even if your motives may be self-serving. Split and crew, the Empyrean Curs, have embarked on journey towards complete independence. Split interested in bringing someone who does not mind breaking laws. Safe to say, you fit profile. Regular smuggler and best pilot, the Ace, has prior engagements. So, crew needs someone to smuggle spaceweed. Small assignment. Test if you're trustworthy. You interested? Good. Split knew Split could count on you. Crew already transferred spaceweed into your ship's cargo hold. Split let Bayer know to expect you. To get to Bayer, you cross policed space. Careful not to be spotted. Swift travels.
Gid. System, silent witness.
You just entered system where space weed illegal. Most groups in network prohibit at least some wares. Some systems more lenient than others. Crucial to our survival to appreciate such nuances. Keep distance from police ships. Hope they don't spot you. If they do, hope your ship is faster than theirs.
Trekker mine. Container. Callisto, Vanguard, Magpie, Sentinel. Entering Silent Witness 11. Successfully docked.
Split squared it with buyer, so you can just transfer space weed without issue. Cannot usually sell illegal wares to stations without establishing black market first.
Discoverer, Vanguard. Sunder, M. Discoverer, M. Discoverer, Vanguard. M. Discoverer, M. Discoverer, Vanguard. M. Discoverer, M. Discoverer, Vanguard. Repair drone, defense drone, Kestrel, Sentinel.
Why are you shooting me?
Not tolerate your actions. Stop your attack immediately.
I trained my...
Discoverer, Vanguard.
That was a particularly pathetic attempt. That was a great mistake. I'm not talking to you. Get out. You will now suffer the consequences of your actions. Wretch, abandoning my vessel.
Kid. Discoverer, Vanguard. Kid. Docking granted. Kid. Kestrel, Sentinel. Kid. Kestrel, Sentinel. Kid. Kestrel, Sentinel. Gid. Docking granted. Gid. Freeport. Docking granted. Successfully docked.
Welcome.
Hello. Goodbye.
I knew I could count on you.
Mission interrupted. New mission activated. Short range transporter A. Freeport. Civilian ship A. Tour bus. Short range transporter A. Mass transporter B. Short range transporter A. Civilian ship A. Mass transporter B. Short range transporter A. Docking granted.
Can I help? Here you go. Good luck out there.
Hello there. Hello. Goodbye.
Hello. Goodbye.
Hello. I'm looking forward to working with you.
Hello. You won't regret hiring me.
Hello. Thank you. I will do my best to justify your faith in me.
Hello. Great! I look forward to my first assignment.
Kid. Short-range transporter, tour bus, A. Civilian ship, A. Tour bus, A. Civilian ship, A. Short-range transporter, A. Mass transporter, D. Short-range transporter, A. Mass transporter, B. Short-range transporter, tour bus, A. Short-range transporter, A. Tour bus, A. Short-range transporter, civilian ship, A. Freeport, turret. Mass transporter, D. Freeport.
Anyone hear me? Are you interested in a job? I knew I could count on you.
Docking granted. Successfully docked.
Joining squad.
Welcome.
Hello. You don't have enough room on your ship right now. Hello.
Kid.
I hope you don't think you're being paid for
Kid. Alligator gas. M. Alligator gas. M. Freeport. Docking granted. Successfully docked.
Welcome.
Buyer confirmed transaction and wired money. Well done.
I knew I could count on you.
Mission interrupted. New mission activated.
Let me be first to congratulate you. Welcome to Empyrean Curse. Before I forget, you might notice Curse do not do names. So, since you'll stick around, Split needs to come up with something for you. You competent smuggler shall call you Chipmunk. Reason why Cur's taking on new members is string of recent setbacks. Split lost crew and assets to Taladi Ministry of Finance. Need help getting back on our feet. Return to our base. Me and the Axiom have tasks for you. You also meet last member of Empyrean Curse.
Sentinel. Minotaur, Ray turn, accelerate turn, Vanguard, accelerator, Silent Witness, 1. Entering, Silent Witness. Argon defense platform. Magpie, Vanguard. Mass transporter, B. Short range transporter, A.
Stop your attack immediately. You will now suffer the consequences.
Argon contain.
This is Sector Security. Comms channel open.
Reporting a criminal offense.
Affirmative.
Criminal record has been updated.
Argon State civilian ship A. Argon civilian ship. Argon civilian ship. Argon civilian ship. Argon mass transit. Argon container. Short range transporter A. Argon Station security vessel. Short range Argon turret. Civil Argon State civilian ship A. Argon civilian ship A. Argon mass transporter B. Argon short-range transporter. Argon State container. Mass transporter B. Argon Station civilian ship A. Argon Station security vessel. Vulture, Sentinel. Drill, Mineral, Vanguard.
I knew I could count on you.
Drill, Mineral, Vanguard.
I could count on you.
Mines, Vanguard. Vulture, Vanguard. Entering system. Windfall. Barbarossa. Docking granted. Successfully docked.